Hello, my name is Pranshul Gupta and my roll number is 20MA20044. In my DIY assignment 2, I have made this toy model of Thor's Mjölnir. So this is my model. For this, I have made 3 individual parts, and using the Boolean operation of union, I have made a single toy. My first part is this upper cuboidal part. For this, I used extrude, chamfer, and union tools to make this final model, final part. And my second part is this handle. For this, I made this cylindrical part using the revolve tool and a spiral using sweep tool, where I made a helix, and using a circle, I swept the circle along the helix. And then the third part is this design, which is a symbol of Thor, and I made this part together, this toy, after using the Boolean operation of union. Then I exported this file as an STL file, and using the Cura software, here I set its dimension and location. Like its dimensions, I've made 35% of its initial dimensions, and it's placed at 0, 0, 0. And then using the printer settings, like the layer thickness to be 0.1 mm, and infill percentage is 20 mm, 20%. And I have used support, since here are some parts which require support. And then I sliced it to, and this is the preview of what the 3D model will look like. And this will be how the model will be made, layer by layer. Here we can see this. And then I have exported this as a G code file. Thank you.